Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off voice control on your iPhone. Now, if you have the voice control enabled, there are multiple different places we need to go in and check to see if it is disabled or if it's not, to turn it off and manually switch it so that you don't accidentally enable it down the road. Let's jump right in. First, tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on Accessibility. Scroll down. Tap on Voice Control. And toggle off Voice Control at the top. This is one place, but there are other places that it exists as well. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap on Side Button. And where it says press and hold to speak, you might have this set to voice control, which accidentally enables that voice control. You can switch this to Siri or to turn it off. However, you'll still see the microphone icon at the top left. So let's tap the back arrow. And now instead of that, scroll down and tap on vocal shortcuts. This might also be on listening to voice commands. Turn off vocal shortcuts, and you can see that microphone disappears. Tap the back arrow at the top left and scroll down to the bottom until you get to Accessibility Shortcut. Tap on that, scroll down, and make sure voice control is unselected. This will essentially prevent you from accidentally enabling voice control unless you manually go into the settings and turn it on for yourself. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.